Guys, I'm at the trading hut and let's try trading this big poppet. Trading poppet going once. Okay, what's your offer?
My offer is this.
Ah, this is a big poppet.
Fine, I like this.
Okay, accept.
Accept.
Now let's try trading the snake. Trading snake going once.
Ow, it's broken. I don't.
Trading pop tube going once, going twice. Okay, what's your offer for this purple pop?
This.
Okay, yes.
Okay.
Now let's see if anyone has a monkey noodle. Trading these two pockets for a pink monkey doodle going once. Okay, what's your offer?
Offer is this pink monkey.
Accept.
Accept.
Oh my gosh, that girl has a giant poppet. Can I please offer a giant poppet? That is my dream.
But it's too sad.
Okay, I'll just try the offer.
Too sad.
I'll offer you your pink monkey noodle and the snake and this. Trading these three fidgets for a big flower poppet going once, going twice, going 3 times, no offers. Okay, bye guys.